Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to show you how to make up some char material, char cloth and charred punkwood, without having to go through the trouble of making a great big fire and all that entails. We're simply going to take and set the denim on fire, we're going to set the punkwood on fire, and when it gets completely black all the way around, we'll take and put it in a tin. What I usually do though is take the leftover fabric and just take and hold it on there and snuff it out. But I want to try out this tin right here. Still got some coffee grounds in there. And this isn't all metal. This is like a cardboard right here with a metal bottom. And I do not think that we will melt the top. We're about to find out. All right, let's go ahead and snuff this one out now. This one needs to be darker than that. We'll just let that smolder until it gets black all the way around. Then we'll put it in the can to snuff it out also. Even though that's not completely black all the way around, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the can and snuff it out. All right, let's see if that was long enough to snuff the contents out. Here's the punkwood. Punkwood is out. Let's go ahead and cast sparks onto it and see how well it takes a spark. It ignited in two places, right up here and right down here. What I think I'll do is go ahead and ignite the pine needles and then shake this big chunk of char back out and we'll snuff it back out. Set this in here for right now. Go. Shake it back out. I think I shook it out. Yeah. Now, let's snuff that back out in the can. Now here is the charred denim that we made. That is a lot of charred denim, and it was very easy to make, as you saw. Let's see if it's reactive. Let's just take part of it right there. Fold it over where I tore those fresh edges and right here. Let's see if we can get that to ignite. And we got one more piece here. I need some more pine needles, hold on. Let's go for this sharp edge right here. See it? Right there. And that's 3 layers. That's just the way it tore apart. And we'll put it on this edge here. Let's try that. Can you see? So as you see, it's a quick and easy way to make some char material. You might want to try it out if it's really too inconvenient for you to make a full-blown fire and make char material the standard way. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.